Hello everyone again. This is Share Your Story Rodney Harabel. Well, again, we're gonna share it to you, and this is a very important today. Again, to talk to you and to share with you today. Although this is not really a sharing story, but I can still share to you. Yeah, at the same time, still a story. That is a story that I got this today or tonight because I really found out that I need to share with you because this is a real story of the being a content creator. See? Well, before that, and we continue, because this is we're talking about monetization. Okay? Yeah. But before that, I just want to share with you also our my second channel, that is my that remember this my third account, and my brother Kalibangan official, and that's my second account, the church ministry, and my members. Yeah, you can subscribe. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe these channels, and of course, yeah, don't forget to subscribe to this my channel, Share Story Ronnie Harabel, if you does not subscribe. And if you want more to upload new videos, new sharing story, well, this is now you can click the notification bell that you may know and notify my newly upload to share with you. And yeah, don't forget to like and comment the comment section that I may know who are really supporting my channel. If you are a silent viewer, or you are visitors, or passing by, or especially to my all my friends that are really supporting my channel. Thank you so much for the support to this my channel. Well, here we go, and this is the reason why I'm here, because I want to share with you that I found out that this coming February 1, 2027, yeah, 2027, 1, February 27, will be a big changes to YT. Yeah, it will double. If you, well, my advice today, if you have, I hope you will listen to me. If not, it's okay. But this is now I found that if you want to, okay, to open a new channel, or you want to add your channel, a new channel, please remember this. We need to hurry up before February 1, 2027. Because why? It will be double before that to acquire, to reach out, to acquire the monetize our channel, or to monetize our channel. So what is that I'm saying today? So before that, I just want to share with you, just like for example, to my channel. Yeah, that here is my channel, and I want to share with you, and I hope it would be a great a help for this. Right, that's it. Uh, this is my channel, and it could be a helpful to you right now. So this is my example only for my second account, because my second account I got already the 1000 subscribers for the eligibility, and of course the 4000 watch hours, or the 10 million views from our for my short video. But sometimes it's not I'm not really active when it comes to short video. Well, that's why I already get this 1000 subscribers. So already I had already 1122 subscribers. See? But the problem here is I have only 905 qualified watch hours. So I need 3095 watch hours. Okay? So 3000 uh ah 3095 watch hours that I need to got this 4,000 watch hours, or yeah, I have only in qualified short views is 1.3 qualified short videos in 10 million. Wow, it's so long. Ay, that's very hard to. It's very difficult to monetize actually. Even you live, YT did not counted on my live streaming. So until now, it's really difficult to increase. But this time, I am gonna share with you because this is now the very important to know, to share with you that this coming February 1, okay, that I was example today my second account, right? So now here we go, and I found out, okay, that February, it said that February, hmm? Yeah. Well, here we go, and this is one of the important way to know, to share with you, because I really search only by EI, and EI is very helpful today. That hmm, so I did not check to the YPP, but this is EI. But if this is true or not, at least it's warning to all of us, especially to my own, because I have a new channel, first second channels, church ministry, and the third channel is, of course, peacekeeper vlog. So these two is needed to monetize. I need subscribers. I need watch hours or views, my short views. But here we go. YouTube announced a major update, okay, today to the YouTube Partner Program, or we call YPP, taking effect, okay, okay, February 1, 2027, doubling, meaning doubling, oh, doubling, doubling the general entry requirements for new creators. Huh? From 4,000, it will become 8,000 public watch hours. That's a long form. It's really hard to reach out even 1,000 watch hours. It's really difficult. How much more this 8,000 public watch hours? It's long form. Wow. And now, and the 20 million short views. Oh, and yeah, alongside strictly rules. Okay, here we go. Another alongside stricter rules targeting unoriginal. The problem is if your video is not original, what we call that the mass produce, which is um, the viral videos. You get some other videos, others, then you will put to your video that is not counted. Okay, just more views, just more earnings. Now it will not be counted, or more watch hours, it will not be counted, or EI generated content. Yeah, there's a lot of EI generated content, so it will not be accepted your for watch hours, and of course uh, in views, okay, and the short views of reels. No, that's short video. Reels is from the Facebook. sorry, sorry. Well, that's it, and wow, how can it be? It will be doubling this coming February 1, 2027. So, my friend, if you have, and also I have two accounts that need to monetize. This time I need to hurry up. But how? Oh no. But how can we monetize is a very hard to. Oh no. This is not easy to do, to monetize the new channel. So this year is uh we are now in August, the month of August. So we have only months to do is August, September, October, November, December, and January. So we have only 5 months. I have only 5 months too to reach out this. Oh no, it's really difficult. Wow, that's a big problem today that we are facing. See, and I hope it would be a help to you, especially for the new, uh, trying to reach out more watch hours and views. So we need to hurry up. We need to hurry up. So I hope my two channel will going to monetize. Oh no. Well, that's it, and I hope I shared it to you. It's a very important sharing with you. Okay, my friend. For those people are there, please support this channel, our channel, especially if you are going to monetize their channel. So we have to support to keep each other. We will help one another. Um, if you are watching this, you see some other creators are not monetized. Help them, okay? Because they are the one. We are all content creator here in YT. We'll help each other. So if this those our friend are really are now monetized, so they have ads in their video. So you can don't please don't skip because that is very important to have an earnings too. So why we are here in YT just only by being a content creator, not only for that, and of course I'm not a hypocrite. I'm here in YT because I need also just to help another earnings. Now, we're not just like others, a viral video or a well-known content creator or a vlogger. We're simple. So the reason we are here as a content creator to help each other. Okay? You can help me. I can help you. So if the video is very long, so it's okay. Don't worry about that. So much better is our video is we need to long video that we can have more ads in our channel. So please, those people are, yeah, our brother, our friend here as a content creator are already monetized. Please don't skip the video, okay? Because that is the way. How can we? And of course, those are starting on their new channel. Please be patient. Let's be keep support. Continue to we need only by patience and determination and having a passion to until we can reach that or we can our channel will be monetized. Well, that's my share to you today, and thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope it will be give you a great idea to inform you about the coming of doubling, okay, about the watch hours and of course in the views in the short video, right? So again, see you the next upload video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and of course click the notification bell, and of course like and then comment that I may know who are really supporting my channel. See you the next upload video to my channel. Share your story, Ronnie Harbell. Bye bye.